Finding the courage to change, only as sick as our secrets. I was raised by someone who described herself as a very private person. There were many things that we were taught you didn't discuss outside of the family. This habit of secrecy kept my mother trapped in her own dysfunctional thought patterns. She had lots of acquaintances, but no trusted confidants. In 12-step programs, we discover that our stinkin thinkin got us to our current dysfunctional state. We are stuck because of our thoughts, attitudes, and beliefs. If we are unwilling to share our most secret thoughts with someone trustworthy, we will continue to stay stuck. I have a pattern of feeling unworthy. Intellectually, I know that I'm just as worthy as other people. But this pattern developed when I was very young. It hides deep in my subconscious. It pops up and trips me up at unexpected moments. It is my secret fear. I'm learning to bring these thoughts of doubt and fear to my trusted mentors and coaches. I asked my coach about the best way to approach a problem because I didn't want to bother someone. He became very animated. Take that thought and put it in the trash and light it on fire with a blowtorch. You are not a bother. I had to laugh. Once again, my secret fear had snuck up on me. Thank goodness I have learned to talk about it. I got out my blowtorch and enjoyed the fire.